You guys are not going to be able to believe this deal I got on this big lot of J.Crew. Yeah. Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and today I have a thrift haul for you. This is a lot of items that I bought online at ShopGoodwill.com, which is Goodwill online. I got the best deal on a lot of 12 items. They're all the brand J.Crew, which is a really great seller for me. I paid $22.85 total with tax, shipping, and everything for 12 items of J.Crew. One of them is new with tags, which means my cost of goods is only $1.90 each. That's great. I'm so excited to share it with you. I did open it up and put it on my rack so we can go through each piece, but I'm imagining for J.Crew I can usually get between $15 and $35 depending on the piece, so my return is going to be pretty good on this haul. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. If you happen to be new, welcome to the channel. I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I buy mostly clothes and fashion things, and I turn around and flip them for profit on sites like Ebay and Poshmark. It's a part-time gig for me, but I really love it, and I make extra money. I work from home, and this channel is all about reselling. So make sure you are subscribed and turn on the little bell so you get notifications when I go live. Let's get into this haul. Okay, so I'm going to show you the pieces, and as I go through, maybe I'll give you a little bit of tips for shopping at Shop Goodwill, the online Goodwill stores. I've been doing it since Stay at Home started, and I have other videos on the channel if you're curious about the details. But so let me put my notes away. This is a J.Crew tank top. It's a size 8 I consider a medium. It's coming out really bright on the camera, but I'd say it's coral, and it's really silky, has a nice racer back. So this is a really sweet piece. I'm imagining I can get 15 to 20 for this, plus I'll charge $2.99 shipping on eBay. On Poshmark, the shipping is $7.11. Unless I send them an offer with a shipping discount, it could be $4.99 for the customer. This is one of my favorite pieces. I just love the print on this. Again, it's a coral color, which happens to be one of my favorites. Coral and turquoise. I thought I'd wear one of my own favorite J.Crew pieces in honor of this J.Crew haul. Don't they make really pretty prints? This one is also silky, and it's a size, where is the size on this baby? This is a size 6, so I'd consider that a small. And it's got kind of a floral motif. And if you look inside, if there's a tag on this one, I don't know if I see the interior tag on this one. I'll show you on the next piece, but there's usually a tag on the interior. We'll have a style name for J.Crew. So that's really helpful because then you can put the style name into Google and get the name of the piece, maybe even a stock photo if you choose to use theirs. If you choose to use stock photos in your listings. I love this piece. If you've watched my hauls before, you know I love white and ivory, both to sell and to wear personally. Okay, so this is J.Crew. It's a medium, and it's a tank top, and look at the front. It's all lace eyelet, and then the back is that like super thin, soft, slub cotton, and this is a medium. Let me see if this one has the interior tag so I can show you guys. Yeah, so here's the tag, and it says on the bottom style, so you can look it up and see if you can find the name. Do you guys use stock photos? Yes or no? My rule of thumb has usually been I use a stock photo if the item I'm selling is new with tags, but I often don't if it's a pre-owned item for some reason. But I really love this. I'm gonna maybe have to try it on. I've been talking about this a lot. We talked about it in my live last night. I do on Friday nights on the channel. I go live at 5 p.m. Pacific on Fridays, and we talk about all stuff reselling related. And I've been sharing about how I have kind of a bad reselling habit of wanting to keep the clothes, which is not really good. It's not a good habit, but many of us do it. The way I get around it is I often, if I bring something new into my closet, I clean out my closet periodically and then sell those items. It's not a good idea. You really shouldn't do it. I am so in love with this next piece. It's so structured. The material is heavy. It's a pencil skirt. It has a slit in the back. So this is perfect. I'll put career workwear in my title. And it's got pockets in the back. I wish you could feel it. It's really thick. And the material feels really smooth. This is a size 6 and it's called the number 2 pencil. So I'm sure there are some women who just own this skirt already, the number 2 pencil, and they're gonna go on to sites like eBay and Poshmark to look for another one, maybe in a different color or something like that. It's cotton spandex. Here's the tag on this one. How do you guys do selling J.Crew? It was a brand that I think I slept on for a while because I just thought it was one of these, like the market for J.Crew was overly saturated, like Gap, Old Navy, things like that, where there's just, you know, thousands and thousands of listings. But actually the opposite's true. I've been finding that I've sold many great J.Crew pieces lately. So let me know how you do. Look at the pleating in the back. This feels really nice. I wonder what the original price on that was. Okay, this next piece is one of my favorite because it's not only a really good brand, J.Crew, but it's also 100% linen, and it's in this beautiful aqua color, almost like sea glass blue. It's a medium, 100% linen women's button down. Oh my gosh, I just really love this. Linen sells really well for me, especially on eBay, especially in the larger sizes. I'll pick up almost anything 100% linen, but if I find like a wide leg, 100% linen pants with an elastic waist in J.Crew, Chico's, Talbot's, Gap, Old Navy, I know I can sell it between like $20 and $35. A couple tips about shopping on ShopGoodwill.com. I often will put into the search lot of women's clothing. I'll use certain keywords trying to find more than just one piece. I try and find lots or multiples because shipping can be expensive. You always want to hit the button that says estimate shipping and put your zip code in so that you get a sense of what they're gonna charge you for shipping, because it's often expensive. They use FedEx and it's usually over $10, even if it's like one piece. So I look for lots, I check the shipping, and they have some things that you can buy it now, but a lot of auctions, and just watch out for those shipping costs because it can be expensive. So I got 2 pieces in this haul of J.Crew swim. I love selling swimwear, and J.Crew is one of the brands that I look for because it sells really well and it retails really high. This is a one-piece pink women's swimsuit, and it has these kind of like laser cutouts, has a nice low back, and it's strappy. I sell swim all year round, you guys. Especially in the larger sizes, because a lot of people do swim as exercise at their gym, so they swim all year round. So this is a size 8 medium. Here's the tag, it's blue on the swimwear. And this is a really sweet bathing suit. I'm imagining I'll put this up for like $35 and try and get around $25 or $30, and it's lightweight, so it'll ship out. Oh gosh, I just gave you another peek here at the next unboxing I'm going to film today. I've been getting so many THREDUP rescue boxes and shopping on THREDUP for my business. I'm filming this in August 2020, and I live in Northern California where thrift stores never even opened, so I'm doing all my shopping for my business online, which has been really great. I have plenty of videos. This is the sweetest seersucker bathing suit. This one is a size medium, J.Crew. It's yellow and white stripe, and can you see that textured stripe? So this is seersucker. Seersucker is really big on the East Coast. It's considered kind of preppy, and it usually sells pretty well. I don't find it that often here on the West Coast. This is a tankini top, so I don't have the bottom, which is unfortunate, but with swimwear, a lot of women buy separates because they might be a different size on the bottom than they are on the top, so I will sell separates, and somebody could pair this with like any solid bottom, so I think that'll do well. And every piece in this lot is in excellent condition. Another tip about shopping online at Goodwill is they don't give a whole lot of information. I'll pop a picture up here of this particular lot. It's like one picture, they're laid on the table. There's not a lot of information about sizes, styles. You really have to take a little bit of a risk. This was so cheap. I don't know why I was the only bidder on it. Who knows? they don't put a lot of descriptive words in their title often. Like this just said women's J.Crew clothing as the title. And so you don't know a lot about condition. You are taking a little bit of risk. They don't always have clear photos. They don't always have a ton of detail in their photos. So that's kind of the deal with them. Oh, this is a new tag piece, which I didn't even know because I couldn't see it in the photos. J.Crew size medium women's top retailed for $59.50. And I talk about these chambray denim tops often on the channel because I pick them up almost regardless of brand. These like lightweight denim tops sell really well for me. I put Tencel Lyocell in the title. I put denim, chambray, and blue, you know, and they sell really well. This one's also a popover. So it doesn't button all the way down. It buttons halfway down. So it's got a lot of style details. And look at the cuff sleeve. That's a sewn cuff sleeve. Super nice piece, so I'm hoping that'll sell pretty well too. Okay, this is one of my favorite pieces in the haul. Definitely let me know in the comment, what is your favorite piece and how do you do with J.Crew? Look at this dress. It's fantastic. It's just like a shift dress and it's cream with these giant black dots. It's really nice. It's a size 6. There's the tag there, and I'm gonna check the fabric content. It feels heavy, it's lined, it's just really a gorgeous piece, and it almost feels like maybe it has some linen in it. 100% cotton, but it's like a textured knit cotton, and the back has got a kind of a racer back there. Isn't that adorable? I wish I could model this, but I'm definitely not a size 6. I'm like 8, 10, 12 sizing. But that is so cute. But I'll put it on my mannequin. I've been using my mannequin again. For the last couple of years, just to save time, I've been doing just a wooden hanger on a white wall, and I like doing that, especially for pants. But I've been experimenting with putting things on my mannequin again. You got to keep it interesting and mix it up. Okay, just a few more pieces, and of course, I'm going to save my favorite and best piece for last. Next up is a size 6. These are a pair of women's navy blue classic shorts. They actually have a name in here, J.Crew 100% cotton chino broken in. So I'll put all that in my title and description. It's kind of cute. On the interior waistband, they almost have like an animal print there. Don't mind my nails. We have been in California so hard hit with COVID, and my nail salon did open up once and I went and got them done and I felt so great, and then everything's closed down again. So I probably have to start doing my own nails, which I really don't have the patience for. I love getting my nails done, but for now, no polish. I'm gonna let them breathe a little bit. Let me know if you have like a good nail polish that you love. I love the what is it called, gel nail, or because it lasts forever and it doesn't chip. Anyway, back to the haul. So these are super cute, classic, and J.Crew does a lot of like staple pieces, really classic. They can be a little preppy, but people know what they like in J.Crew, and someone might be looking exactly for these broken in chinos. Up next are these bright yellow pants that are so fun. Look at these, they're cropped capri and they have a cuff on the hemline. This is the J.Crew stretch and a size 6 city fit. I can't tell you how much I love when they put the name or style right on. Do you guys? These are super fun. Also, when it says like size 6, in my title and description, I'll put size 6, but I'll also put small. So I usually do like 0 and 2 extra small, 4 and 6 small, 8, 10 is for me is a medium, and above a 10 is a large, and then extra large. I put both in there because I'm not exactly sure how a customer is going to be searching, whether they're going to be looking specifically for 6 or small, so I always put both in there. This is my favorite piece. I saved it for last. I'm dying to know what you guys think. This is so fun. Check this out. Isn't this amazing? Look at the colors and the print. It is so retro. I'm definitely gonna put like retro 60s, 70s vintage vibe in my title. This skirt is amazing. I absolutely love it. It's a J.Crew size 8. They have so many different tags. This is not black. This tag is like a dark green. The reason I say that is because the black label J.Crew is often more expensive line for them. This is a super mini. Again, it almost feels like denim. It's a really heavy weight and it has these faux pockets in the front. It's just so cute. Someone needs this in their life. If you ever fall in love with something in one of my hauls, just message me on Instagram or send me an email at thegratefulqueen@gmail.com. All my information is down in the description and all sorts of links and helpful information is down there. So, okay friends, so that was my 12 item lot of J.Crew items, only $22.85, $1.90 each. What do you think? How do you do with J.Crew? Would you have bought this haul? I love to hear from you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video, friends. Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit it. Punch it.